Do you know why smart website owners and businesses are choosing ethical link building over risky shortcuts? Ethical link building is essential for SEO, but buying backlinks can lead to penalties. Whether you're concerned about penalties, evaluating a digital marketing agency, or simply seeking SEO knowledge, this video is for you. Why shouldn't you buy backlinks? Buying backlinks is against search engine guidelines and can lead to severe penalties, such as ranking demotion or even delisting from the search results. Additionally, bought backlinks are often from low-quality websites, which can damage your reputation and deter visitors. While buying backlinks might seem like a shortcut to boost your website's ranking in the short term, it's a risky gamble with long-term consequences. Once search engines penalize your site, recovering your previous rankings can be an arduous and time-consuming task. It's far better to invest in sustainable, ethical SEO strategies that yield lasting results. Tools like AHREFS, Moz, SEM RUSH, or Google Search Console can provide insights into a website's backlinks. Input the website's URL and use these tools to access detailed data on backlinks. Determine whether the linked pages are related to the content of the website. Irrelevant or off-topic backlinks are often indicators of purchased links. How should you approach link building? A reputable SEO agency like AHREFS will focus on building high-quality backlinks from relevant websites. We will use white hat methods such as creating high-quality content, guest blogging, and outreach to industry influencers. Occasionally, your competitors may deliberately direct low-quality links toward your well-performing websites and report this activity to search engines. Not all competitors adhere to ethical practices, and some resort to shortcuts involving black hat strategies. As a general guideline, it's wise to avoid engaging in the three elements of black hat SEO, which include excessive keyword stuffing, cloaking, and participating in dubious link building schemes. If you suspect that your website has accumulated unnatural or spammy backlinks, you can utilize Google's Disavow tool. This tool enables you to disassociate your site from these specific links, effectively instructing Google to disregard them when evaluating your site's search engine ranking. Can the SEO agency provide examples of backlinks? Ask the agency for examples of backlinks they built for other clients. Look for high-authority backlinks from websites in your industry. This shows that they have a proven track record of success. How do they measure success? A good agency will be able to track the results of their link-building campaigns and demonstrate how their efforts have helped to improve their clients' search rankings and organic traffic. Ask the agency how they measure success and look for specific metrics, such as increased search rankings, organic traffic, and referral traffic. What's your pricing structure? Beware of agencies that offer to build backlinks for a very low price. Building high-quality backlinks takes time and effort, so a reputable agency will charge accordingly. Ask the agency about their pricing structure and get a detailed breakdown of what services are included. In summary, selecting an SEO agency in Sri Lanka is a big decision and one that can greatly impact the success of your online presence. To make the right choice and avoid wasting your marketing budget, it's crucial to approach this decision with care. When evaluating a potential SEO partner, be sure to ask the questions in this video from them and carefully assess their responses. By following these tips and selecting an SEO agency in Sri Lanka that prioritizes ethical and sustainable practices, you can find a digital marketing partner that specializes in search engine optimization that drives results. AHREFS is dedicated to helping you achieve long-term online success by establishing high-quality backlinks and enhancing your search engine rankings. Our expertise in SEO ensures that your website will be seen by the right people at the right time. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Our team is here to help you. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.